Hello, I'm Bernie Rush and welcome to this brief introduction to our online A3 problem solving course. At the end of this course, you will be a much more competent problem solver and project manager than you are at the moment. The course takes place over 8 webinars. Each of them is 2 hours in length and we take a 10-minute break in the middle. You will need a quiet place such that you can concentrate on the webinar content and also a reliable Wi-Fi connection. Don't worry about the learning material and the learning platform. Once you have enrolled, we will provide those to you. You don't need any other equipment for the course except for an A3 sheet of paper. Now this actually causes problems even though it's a relatively common commodity, but you can simply create one by taping 2 sheets of A4 paper together. You will also need to work on a project during the course. It can be a project in any area of your choosing. For example, it could be a domestic project, like setting up a small vegetable patch in your garden, or it could be something related to work. For example, taking customer bookings or over the phone, or customer orders online, or addressing a health and safety problem in the workplace. You decide. If you would like help in selecting and scoping your project in advance of the course, please be sure to contact us. We're here to help.